Hi, my dear doers. Nowadays, more and more businesses send their materials to other companies to produce the finished goods. That action is called subcontracting. And here at Stealthy Wood, we rely on subcontractors as it provides many strategic benefits. It gives us the opportunity to focus on key operations while our partners perform other tasks throughout the manufacturing process. And since our subcontractors team will be doing part of the job, it enables us to offer more without having to worry about extra hiring and staffing. After all, maintaining a small staff is critical for us as we have many secrets. In fact, Bruce Wayne wouldn't be happy if everybody knew that he was Batman. Oh, wait. Jokes aside, as our subcontractors use their own equipment, we don't have to invest in expensive machinery, which means we have more money to invest in our core business. So let's dive into Stealthy Wood's database to see how we can rely on subcontractors. All right, here I am on my database. The first thing we're going to do is jump to manufacturing configuration settings. And for this video, we want to be sure we have subcontracting activated, which I already do. And as we have already seen in some previous videos, some processes use bills of materials. And at Stealthy Wood, we actually use them a lot. And to subcontract to products using Odoo, they are necessary. So we're going to go to the products menu and we're going to click on bills of materials. And here we have a list of all of our bills of materials. And as you may know, Stealthy Wood is a wood furniture manufacturer and all of our manufacturing processes are managed by ourselves. But in order to offer more, we would like to sell new products such as lamps to sell alongside our desks. Unfortunately, we're not very skilled with electrical components, so that's why we're going to send our raw materials to a subcontractor who manufactures the electrical parts for us. So let's go ahead and create a new bill of material by clicking on the Create button. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is actually to change the BOM type because I know this is a subcontracting bill of material. So for manufacture this products, let's change that to subcontracting. And once I select that, I of course will need to add my subcontractor. So we're going to add Azure Interior as our subcontractor, and you can have multiple subcontractors if needed. And then we're going to select our products. This is going to be for our office lamp. And then after we've added the product, we of course will add components as we would for any other bill of material. So let's go ahead and add a lampshade, a lamp base, and a bulb. All right, something else to point out is that on each of these components, on the product page, underneath the inventory tab, I have resupply subcontractor on order selected. So you do need to have that activated on the product page for each of your components for a subcontracting bill of material. All right, so I have that saved for each of these components. So let's go ahead and save this BOM. All right, now if I want my subcontractor product, I simply need to order it from the subcontractor, and I'm going to do so from the purchase application. So let's jump to purchase, create an RFQ, add the subcontractor and the product, of course. So our office lamp here. Then I'm going to save and confirm this RFQ, turning it into a PO. Now, once I have done that, we're actually going to jump to the inventory application because, of course, my subcontractor will need the materials in order to manufacture this lamp. So I'm going to send the materials to their location so the job can be done. So under delivery orders, we're going to jump to the 8 delivery orders that are waiting. All right, and I see that there is a delivery order here for Azure Interior. All right, I see the source document as well, which is the receipt. So we're going to go ahead and select that, jump to operations. I'm going to have all of my components here. So it's really convenient. Once I created that purchase order, this delivery order to send the products to the subcontractor was automatically generated. All right, so let's go ahead and check the availability, and we're going to validate this delivery order. Okay, apply, and that's done. So let's imagine they received the components and they have manufactured the product, sent it back to us. Now we can go ahead and receive it in Odoo. So let's go back to our inventory dashboard, and we're going to go to our receipts. All right, so I have this receipt from Azure Interior, and I see now that it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and validate this. We're going to apply. We have received the product, and that's it. Nothing is easier, and it's all thanks to Odoo. And thank you for watching. That's all for this video. And if I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.